Hello students, welcome to the science subject. In this class, we will discuss the exercise part of the lesson 3, the parts of a plant. The name of the lesson is parts of a plant. First, the warm-up activity. The question is identify the green pictures below and name them in the provided space. Okay, the first one is carrot, second one turnip, third one spinach, fourth one tomato, fifth one cauliflower, the sixth one is radish. These are the names of the vegetables. Okay, next, the checkpoint. Choose the correct options. The first one, roots prevent soil binding, soil erosion, soil formation. Which one is the correct there? The answer, soil erosion. Second one, the mango is an example of a stem, taproot system, fibrous root system. The answer is taproot system. Third one, leaves, flower, roots help the plant in firmly fixing to the soil. The answer is roots. The answer is roots. Is one more checkpoint there. That is fill in the blanks. The flat part of the leaf is called lamina. The flat part of the leaf is called lamina. Second one, dash helps the plant stand upright. The stem helps the plant stand upright. Third one, plants make food by the process called photosynthesis. What is the answer? Third one, photosynthesis. Plants make food by the process called photosynthesis. The exercise, choose the correct answers. The first one, which of the following anchors the plant firmly to the soil? Leaf, root, vein. Which one is the correct there? The root. Second one, the flat part of the leaf is called dash. Plate, main vein, lamina. What is the correct answer there? Lamina. The third one, a dash is the most colorful and attractive part of a plant. Flower, stem, root. Which one? The flower is the most colorful and attractive part of a plant. The fourth one question is, a mango has dash seed. Options are 1, 2, 3. Correct answer is 1. A mango has 1 seed. The fifth one question, the development of a plant from a seed is called dash. Options, locomotion, adaptation, germination. The correct option is germination. The development of a plant from a seed is called germination. The B question, answer the following in one word. The first question, a green colored substance present in a leaf is called chlorophyll. Second one, dash forms the main part of the shoot system. Stem forms the main part of the shoot system. Third one, fruits contain seed. Fruits contain seed. Fourth one, the flat part of the leaf is called lamina. The flat part of the leaf is called lamina. Fifth one, dash carries water and nutrients from the root to the leaves. Stem carries water and nutrients from the root to the leaves. The C question, match the following. There are the two columns there, column A and column B. We have to match the correct one from the column A to B. The first one, grass, coriander, pipal tree, carrot, money plant. In the column B, edible leaves and stems, trunk, weak stem, fibrous root, taproot. Match. Grass, it has the fibrous root, The coriander, it is edible leaves and stems. Pipal tree, it has the long trunk. The carrot, it has the taproot. Money plant, it has the weak stem. Okay, this is the match the following. Next, D1. The D1 is answer the following questions. Okay, the first one there. The how do roots help a plant? Name two roots that store food. Answer. Roots anchor the plants by firmly fixing them to the soil. B. Roots absorb the nutrients and water. C. Roots store food. The second question. Name the things needed by a plant to make food. Answer. Air, water and sunlight are needed by a plant to make food. C. The third one. Why are leaves called the food factory of a plant? Answer. Leaves are able to make food for the plant by a process called photosynthesis. Therefore, leaves are called kitchen or food factory of a plant. The last question, that is the fourth one. What is germination? What does a seed require to germinate? The answer. The process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. A seed requires water, sunlight and nutrient to the grow. The answer is the process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. A seed requires water, sunlight and nutrient to grow. Okay, this is the exercise part of the third lesson.